Every man has a difficulty phase in their life, stressed, distracted, not able to productive, but some of the best apps help to overcome these. In this video, we will talk about 10 must-have apps to be productive. Then let's get started. The first one is TODOIST. If you are looking for a simple way to organize and keep track of your daily to-do list, then TODOIST is a great task management app to use. It allows you to organize and sort tasks, set due dates and reminders, and even track your progress and collaborate on projects with others. Other useful features including location-based reminders as well as options to sort tasks according to priority and tasks also available in this app. So check this app in the description so that you are organized and keep track your daily to-do list. The second one is HABITICA. HABITICA isn't your typical habit tracker app. It's also a fun role-playing game like Forest. It uses gamification to help boost productivity and foster good habit in your daily life. After inputting your daily goals and desired habits, the app will allow you to create a custom avatar. Then as you complete your tasks, you can level up your avatar and unlock cool features including armor, speeds and quests, etc. like a games also. This is a fun rolling game. The third one is Forest. Do you easily get distracted on your phone? This is the unique app motivates you to put down the screen and stay focused on your tasks. The premise of Forest is simple. Plant a seed when you are ready to get to work, then set a timer. If you stick to the tasks, your tree grows. But if you exit the app for whatever reason, your tree dies. Soon you can grow entire forest. Plus, the app also has a partner with trees in the future and to plant actual trees, so you can help the planet while helping yourself. The fourth one is Grammarly. Grammarly is one of the world's best online grammar checker software. The software goes beyond any traditional grammar checker you have ever seen. It's not only fixes spelling errors but also highlights mistakes that are often overlooked. It even identifies words elevates spelled correctly in the wrong context to make sure that your context is clear and easy to read. This AI-powered tool is a handy add-on. It is easily embedded in your Chrome or Firefox browser or even any browser. It even supports with Google Docs, so you can write and deliver error-free content. This is the best grammar checker for if you are making lots of mistakes while typing in your day or life.
Good grammar and spelling are important, but if you want to write essays that inspire, messages that forge brighter connections, and emails that get the job done, you need to think about more than just grammar and spelling.
The fifth one is TRELLO. TRELLO is a highly customizable digital bulletin board that you can use to set up anything from to-do list, tasks, notes and more. Users create lists which are dynamic containers that can fill with cards. This can be anything from tasks, notes, ideas, pictures and more. Anything like GIF also, which you can then drag and drop up and down the line or move to other list. All of these can be shared with other users with provisions for creating new cards, adding comment and assigning tasks for other members of the team also. The sixth one is Google Keep. Google Keep is an online note-taking app and a to-do list app that allow you to organize, characterize, labeled, color-code notes search them by keywords when needed, and even set reminders for note at a particular time. Google Keep also makes it easier for you to share ideas with friends and colleagues. Moreover, you can also record a voice memo and the app will transcribe it so that it is retrieved later. This is the best note taking app I have ever seen. The UI and UX is very good to use. Just open and that's good and type. We make a video about Google Keep also. This is the review of this Google Keep video. So check that out if you are interested in Google Keep. The seventh one is Evernote. Evernote is a powerful note-taking app. It's been among the most popular app in its class for years, and it has the chops to warrant such a praise. It features audio, text, picture, and various other types of notes. There are also excellent organized features, cross-device syncing, collaboration features, and more. There isn't a lot wrong with it. However, you do pay for all of these features. A plan-based goes for $7.99 per month, with the full experience going for $14.99 per year. Google Keep is the alternative excellent note-taking app that is entirely free if you want such as an option as well. The eighth one is Pocket. Pocket is one of the best read it later app. The application allows you to save articles, videos, and shareable material from other apps so that you can view them later. The application focuses on utilizing the concept of sharing content socially. However, it provides much more competitive support for embedding multimedia. It's a great app for casual as well as professional readers. If you need a way to store and read content anywhere and anytime, Pocket is for you.
I'm discovering great content all day long. Problem is, I don't always have time to enjoy it right then and there. That's why there's Pocket. Pocket lets you take pretty much anything you find online and save it in an organized way so it's ready to view when you are.
The ninth one is Focus Me. Started with a small HTML web page named distractionblocker.com, Focus Me is the hands down most competitive time management app out there. Focus Me helps you to focus on what is important and prevent you from getting distracted by social media, news, games, or your inbox. It's a productive tool and a website blocker for Windows and Mac, available for one-time purchase or subscription as well, and Android completely for free. The 10th one and the final one is Notion. Notion is a all-in-one workspace for notes, tags, and wikis. The database of Notion is making this app is cool and unique. In this app, you can create many databases and stores many files, documents also. Notion is free to use application. This for personal plan is completely free for individual use. The team plan has a free trial with 1000 block limit, more than enough to try out Notion with your team before upgrading. You can use Notion for journaling, note taking, project management, and so much more. It's a all-in-one app also. It has tons of features that makes it useful for almost anything you could ever want from a productive tool. These are the 10 apps that you should try to be productive in your life. These 10 apps are links in the description, so check these apps to be productive, to be managed, and to be great in your day-to-day life. Thanks for listening and watching this video. Like, share, subscribe to the channel.